Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from CozyUp, or CozyUp, Specialty Dark. Start your day with the cozy way. Arabica coffee bean, dark roast, 100 K pods, or K cups. So this would be a great Christmas gift to give somebody. Birthday gift, housewarming gift, you know the routine. And all you gotta do is click on the link down below and check them out, see what other flavors they have to offer, and they'll ship this fast to you. And now we got Black Friday deals going on, Cyber Monday deals, and take a browse. And here we go. We're gonna go upstairs and taste it, show you guys what it looks like. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, all you coffee lovers out there, this one's right up your alley. Put this there. Specialty Dark. Okay, pretty full. Nice 1 cup action. There we go. You get 100 of these. Look at that. Cozy. So, like I said, we'll be upstairs in a second, into the kitchen, and gonna brew some CozyUp. I'll be back. Alrighty, here we go. We got the Hamilton Beach Flex Brew Keurig machine, so I'll leave the link down below for that one also. And also, if you guys need some coffee mugs, they'll be down below also. And there's a Donkey Kong. And well, let's take one of these CozyUp, pop it in here. I should have enough water for that cup. And then pop that. There we go. There's a click. And we'll do the brew. Should be too little water. See, there it goes. Go. And in about a few seconds, the warmer will start warming up the water, and then we'll pour it out. But these are the Specialty Dark K cups from CozyUp. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, Cyber Monday, Black Friday deals going on. This would be a nice little Christmas gift bonus to somebody, you know, or to yourself. Maybe your boss, or you never know. Should take a few seconds. But this is a really good Keurig machine. So definitely leave the link down below for you guys if you guys need a new one. Really cool. And here we go. Any second. It's getting ready. Should put that there. Even it up. And also you could remove this bottom piece and make one of those big mugs you could use too. Just gotta switch these settings right there. Oh, here we go. You can hear it. Here comes the pour. Yeah, buddy, it's coming. She's getting ready. Oh boy. There she goes. Oh wow. Instantly you can smell that. It smells really good. This will definitely wake you up in the morning. Oh yeah. I could definitely smell that. Getting there. It is getting there. I believe that is just finished. Hot. Caution, may be hot. Here's what she looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'll grab it from the handle. There you go. There you go. Here comes a sip. Oh yeah, it does smell good. Ooh, a little hot. There's great taste. Ooh, that woke me up. For sure, YouTubers, check these guys out. Great deal. I think it's under $40 for these 100 count. So, I mean, can't go wrong. And like I said, if you guys need a coffee mug like this one, it'll be listed also in the description. So, CozyUp, Amazon. You guys be safe, YouTubers. Have a good weekend and see you soon.